Hi guys, so I'm just going to go over where the parts go on the bottom board of the Raptor here. So first thing is you have these little 5-pin things. So these you want to put in there, here, and also over here and here. Now, this one up here, you have to cut apart these big header here. And the easiest way to do that is you lay it down next to it like this. And the pin, basically the next pin, you want to cut right down the center. Like this. So you end up with this little piece in your hand. And then you just pop it in, and then you repeat a couple times. So, same thing, line it up, and cut. And then that is your bottom board, headers assembled. You can also just trim these off too to make it cleaner. But yeah, there you go. And a trick to holding these together is to grab this piece that I also put in the kit, and just, while you're soldering, pop that in so the headers stay nice and connected together. Okay, that's this side. Okay, now we're on the bottom board here, and what you want to make sure first is you want it upside down. So you actually want to be looking at this bottom side here. And somebody already asked, but these pads here and here are okay if they're connected together, because these are all busted together. These are basically your AC feeds going between boards. So anyways, for this board, you're going to need this, and you're going to need these two connectors. So first thing is you want to cut this down to size, which is a 5x2. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you just cut it right here. I'll hold on to it. And then do it twice. Okay, so these two, it's soldered in here and over here. And sometimes it's actually easier to solder it in and have it connected to your other board. So if you built the logic board first, you can just plug this in and it'll hold it in the right spot. Alright, the next thing is these guys. So assume these are soldered in, but you want to flip it over, and these guys and these guys go right in here. If you notice, they have the longer pins on them. That's because they're effectively becoming like stacking headers for the later secret board, which I'll show you at the end of this video. So these guys just go right in here. Some of them are, you may need to straighten these a bit, but there you go. These go in here, and then when you solder them, you just want to solder as close as you can to the pad, with try not getting so much solder wicked up the top of them, because these need to make contact with the bottom board. And here is why the header orientation matters, because in the future this little board is going to plug in on top, and you will be able to set your start channel and your NRF channel as well as the speed. So these will be configurable just with these little jumpers.